Hi friends, it's Miss Piggy. Welcome back to our art series called Stick Together, where we stick together and make stickers together. Each week we combine two concepts to make a sticker. So friends, I hope you're doing well today. Let's find out what we're gonna need. So you're gonna need some blank paper or any kind of paper, once again, whatever you have on hand. And you'll be needing some drawing tools, markers, crayons, colored pencils, pens, anything you have on hand once again. And you'll need some scissors and clear tape so that we can stickerify our art. Let's go over our values. So, same thing, respect yourself, respect your art, and respect the space. Are you all ready for the concepts of the day? Okie dokie. All right, so our concepts of the day are encouraging words and thought bubbles. So, I want you all to take some time to think about some encouraging words. What are some words that really inspire you, uplift you, and help you get through things? So maybe these are words that you often hear, or maybe they're words that you need to hear more of. It could be one word, or it could be a phrase, maybe different words put together. So take a moment to think about that. And while you're thinking about that, I want you to also think about a thought bubble. Now when I say thought bubbles, what comes to your mind? Are they clouds? Are they like comic books that have cool starbursts? So I want you to think about some shapes. So what we're gonna end up doing is taking these encouraging words or word, and we're gonna put them inside of a thought bubble. So depending on how you want to get started, and if that means drawing your thought bubble first or starting with your encouraging words, it's all up to you, friends. So I'm thinking of my word, and it's actually going to be the word build. So I'm going to start by just writing the word with an outline. And from here, I'm going to be adding some details and kind of refining the word itself. So depending on your own hand style, friends, explore with different techniques or different ideas. I'm choosing the word builds because this word is very encouraging for me personally. It reminds me to build in my community. It reminds me to build relationships. It's an encouraging word for me to remember that foundation is important. When you think of building a building, you want to make sure that your foundation is strong so that you can build awesome things. So for me, this is why I chose the word build. I wonder what words you're choosing, friends. There are a lot of encouraging words, I think. You don't have to just pick one either. You can create multiple words on a sticker. You can create multiple stickers, once again, friends, so it's up to you how you want to go about it. I'm just thickening my outlines for now, just using the Sharpie. So I think I added my final details to my word. So right now I'm just gonna take a moment to kind of look at the surroundings of it and see if I'd like to add more details. For example, I think I'm gonna add some zigzags. Kind of like a lightning bolt almost. To kind of resemble power and dynamic. Alright, so from here, I think I'm going to start thinking of my thought bubble. So think about different shapes, friends. What shape do you want your thought bubble to be? Do you want it to be round? Do you want it to have some angles in it? It's up to you. What I'm going to do is kind of create a cloud-like parameter. And then from here I'm going to create some dots. And go out. From here, I'm just going to once again refine my outer outline just by taking the edge of my Sharpie and following that line. And repeating as many times as you desire your thickness. So friends, as you create your thought bubble, I want you to think about where you might put your sticker today. Do you have a collection already that you've been creating? Or is there a specific place you envision the sticker to be? If you're choosing to create a thought bubble with lots of angles and lines, you can always use a ruler to refine your lines to make them more uniform. However, also freehand it. well. It's the fun part about art. Explore the different ideas. Here's my outline or my thought bubble. So from here, friends, I'm just gonna take one more look and see if I want to add or refine anything. You could also add dimension with your thought bubble if you'd like. For example, you can kind of create an outer outline. You choose to do so. Not, don't need to. That's up to you. Right, friends, so I think I'm ready to stickerify my thought bubble. So I'm gonna grab my scissors and start cutting out my thought bubble. Once again, friends, you can create a general border of a shape, or you can cut right on the perimeter of your art. That's up to you. Just depends on your own preference, what you prefer. For me, I'm going to be cutting right along the line. Once again, rotating my paper as needed for these round edges. Following all right, so I have my sticker cut out here, and I'm just going to use my table once again to lay my sticker on top of. And from here, I'm going to begin my stickerifying process. So I'm just going to be a strip once again and making sure that it's tall enough or long enough and wide enough to create a perimeter. So taking the ends, I'm going to slowly lay down the first layer of tape. I'm going to take another strip and we're going to make sure it can cover the whole border. And we're going to make sure it's flush, meaning right next to the first layer. Tape. one more. For good luck. You want to align it. Wash. Here, friends, we're just going to once again take these edges and slowly lift. And we're just going to cut a border around your sticker. And remember, friends, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just as long as you have space so that you can stick your art, sticker, somewhere. Awesome. Slowly. Perimeter. Alright, friends, so I'm ready to stick my sticker on my clipboard. On the spot. And remember, friends, feel free to overlap if needed. If you want space in between, that's fine too. It's really up to you. Remember, once you stick it down, just apply pressure using your hand or your fingers, or something on the flat edge. It's really up to you to explore. You could always bring your tape around the edge if needed, or you can cut it to your desired size. Use your nail to make sure that all your color comes right through the tape. Give it that nice look. And here's my sticker, and my encouraging word, and my thought bubble. Alright, friends, I hope you all had fun. Take care and be well.